This is very frustrating. I can't get this thing that I've just bought to work. I can lift it manually and I can lower it with the pedal, but it won't pump up. It's like stuck. It's very irritating. So to vent, I was going to go for a ride, and it's raining. Darryl's trying to fix my lift that I ordered and doesn't work. Faster? You put the plastic.
Yeah, I put the plastic knobbly thing back on.
So Darryl's first.
I've created fire.
First thing.
Okay, calm down.
You've done a thing.
I did a thing. Now.
Okay, I'm gonna have a look at this gear position belt.
So that's like that. This is so much like Lego. I'm loving life. And then this is not what we want.
Okay. So this is the gear position indicator, which I'm now going to reinstall. It's quite chipped. I think I can't get a new one. That's a waste of money, but I think I might put some silicone just to seal that.
What's going on now? I think we might have a piece missing. Can you come advise me? Oh, great one. Okay, so there's this and that.
Yeah,
so
two little plastic pieces.
But is it those?
Yes.
Not this.
No. That's that one.
Two hours later.
So now which
Okay,
side?
so now.
Okay, so it's got to go all the way through.
It needs a screwy thing.
3 hours later.
So I have a bad feeling
I don't know.
that maybe those plastic things go in there and there.
I don't think so.
1 eternity later.
Should have washed them better. Just what it is.
You want me to do?
No, I have already.
Oh, these
Okay,
ones.
so here the question
Oh,
is,
you'll never know.
Loctite or anti-seize, and how do you know when?
So we're saying our rationale is if it's something you want to take off and on regularly, you want anti-seize.
Yeah.
If it's something that is not going to be removed regularly, Loctite.
Yeah. That's my...
Looking forward to your comments.
All of them quickly. Enough. Yeah, I don't want to take this off again in a hurry.
Yeah. So put the lid back on.
Thank you.
Alles klar, kommst du auch. Okay. You good?
Yep. Thank you. I think
Okay, now?
Cool. Oh, thanks. Fun! Our first part.
Woohoo!
I'm doing two, you're doing two.
Reconstruction. Like we know what we're doing.
know what we're doing.
Can't say enough about them.
You can use your teeth.
Yeah, but why? I can't find scissors. There we go. Almost started the countdown.
Okay, done. It actually didn't feel too tight, which is great. Okay. Man, there's something like so satisfying about a torque wrench going click.
I know, hey.
It's like, okay, that's it. You know that you
Did it. It's like something you want to share.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
I'll videoed them all.
Just tight enough.
It's evidence. Yep, they're all done. So what are you doing, Darryl? Explain.
Oh, I'm doing whatever you tell me to do, Stuart. No, honestly, I am doing a makeshift recover of a cover that was perished for the sensor.
Yeah, so the gear sensor was a bit cracked, so you're putting some special paste on. It's basically called polybond, no?
Yeah.
So I'm going to be doing the clutch actuator here.
Actually.
So this thing, it's going to go back in there. We need to grease the boot a little bit. I think they put quite a lot of grease in there. I just need to have a double check.
Yeah.
But this pin I need to clean. And look, it's got circlips.
I can clean it.
See the circlips?
Yes,
They look a bit buggered, and I bought a whole box of circlips.
Nice.
So we'll use new circlips. Okay, there you go. You got them?
Yes. So on the left is the old, and on the right are the new.
Okay. So we may need that.
What's that? Oh, the thing to do the thing.
Yeah. These are quite fiddly.
Yeah.
I'm going to pull the old one off. There you go. The one has got.
Let's see. Pasha, let me run it through.
So this long one is this side.
Yes.
Okay, because that's where the other thing clips onto, I think.
Yep.
Okay.
So let's see.
So let's just put it on. Socket punch.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Okay, so it's in.
Yeah. Do you want to see the behavior inside?
Okay, hang on. Did one? Okay, we were in neutral, thank goodness. Yes, let's put it in. Now it should, well, it should not fall out. Yeah. Okay, now it shouldn't do something. It's not doing anything. Fifth? Sixth? No, it's not going up. That's definitely going down. It's definitely going into first. I think it might be perfect. Can I have a look here? Just tell me what you think here. If it feels the same. Same story, yeah?
Doesn't go any higher.
No.
That could be a function of the engine then. Work done. We got that cap done. We got this
We got
sensor
that
through
in.
there. We got the little grommet in. We put the clutch thing in. Put the kickstand on.
It's the most pleasing part of the whole job.
Yeah, that actually worked out real well.
Actuator is in, although we have some question marks about what it should
Its
do.
functionality. Yep.
Yeah, so we can go. So we're in first, goes into neutral, goes back into first, but it doesn't go the other way. And
But I think even on your motorbike, you can't really change up
I can't, no. But
unless
also,
you're moving.
this doesn't push anything out.
Yeah. I think when the engine is doing its work.
I will phone and find out.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
All right, cool. Thank
Nice
you, man.
work.
Thank you for the day.
Oh, and we fixed the jack.
And you fixed my jack. Okay. So this is in. Just tie that up. So this is a bit strange. We don't really understand why it juts out so much. I'll have to look at the previous videos. It probably goes all the way in and this juts right out. I don't know. It's a very unusual system. And then this looks great. One thing I'm not sure about is the way the gears work. So I was expecting the boot would push the rod in and the rod would come back. But if I've just put the old clutch on, but if I push down, I'm in first, goes into neutral, and then if I push down, clicks back into first, which is good. But I'm not feeling anything when I pull this in and out. I'm not feeling the rod come in and out. The rod is just all the way in. I'm not sure if that's because it's off and whether the gyroscopic forces that pin out. I don't know. I'll have to ask, but if anyone else knows in the comments, please let me know. Thanks.